60-second trading lesson. Here you go. Okay, I've taken a standard retail platform here. It's MT4, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Doesn't matter what you trade. That's lesson number one because money's money. 15-minute bars. If you've got a day job, you can still trade 15-minute bars because you place the trades, you put the stop loss in, you let it ride. Now, here's the important next lesson. See where we've put green arrows? That's where we were indicated there was going to be some momentum. Your stop loss has to be such that when the trade goes against you, as it initially did there, you don't easily get knocked out, but equally not so far away that the stop loss is meaningless. We use a volatility-based stop loss. More volatile the markets, further away the stop loss. The parallel to that on the opposite side is the red dotted line where we would add to our winning positions. That's an advanced strategy. It's another lesson. You don't have to win every single trade. In fact, if that's what you're looking for, you've got a pretty poor way about going about it. What you can see here is small win. We can't force the markets to move lower, right, if they're not going to. So that short trade didn't work out well. That went sideways. That went sideways. You will get small losses, small wins. The key is to make sure they remain small if they're losses. Then you'll get the big wins, which is what makes up for the small wins and losses. This is the free platform we use to train new recruits into our hedge fund because it's free and it's not ours, so they can break it if they wish. What you also see is 20% of your trades will produce 80% of your profits. That's the way it is. 20% of your trades will produce 80% of your profits, and it'll be the few of these when the big trends happen that hopefully you're lucky enough to get in on that will make up for the time spent on the ones which go sideways and the small losses. Never add to losers, because only losers add to losers, and winners add to winners. Those are the important lessons for today. There'll be more in future. See you soon.